Want to connect your Instagram account to Facebook. Linking the two accounts allows you to share content across both platforms, manage messages more easily, run ads, and access additional account features. In this guide, I'll show you how to link Instagram to Facebook in 2026. Before getting started, it's helpful to understand the benefits. Linking your accounts can simplify content sharing, improve account management, enable cross-platform posting, and provide access to additional business and creator tools. First, open Instagram and sign in to the account you want to connect. Then tap your profile picture to open your profile page. Tap the menu icon in the top corner of your profile and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Account Center. This is where Instagram and Facebook account connections are managed. Inside Account Center, look for the option to add or connect another account. Select Facebook and continue. Enter your Facebook login information if requested. Make sure you're signing in to the Facebook account you want linked to Instagram. Review the permissions and account details, then confirm the connection. Instagram and Facebook should now appear together inside Account Center. Once connected, you can choose whether posts, stories, reels, and profile updates are automatically shared between platforms. Create a post or story and enable sharing to Facebook. This helps verify that the connection is working correctly. If you ever need to change settings, update sharing preferences, or remove the connection, return to Account Center to manage your linked accounts, And that's how to link Instagram to Facebook. Connecting your accounts can make content management easier and help you reach audiences across both platforms. So yeah, if you regularly use both Instagram and Facebook, linking them can save time and streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching.